2013 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, child safety locks, power door locks, CD player, MP3 player, bucket seats, passenger airbag on/off switch, passenger airbag, auxiliary audio input, rear head airbag, daytime running lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.